Address negative feedback constructively. No matter how well we want things to go for our business, we can never escape from negative feedback once in a while. So don't take negative feedback personally. Instead, tackle it constructively. Think of it this way. Addressing customer concerns can improve your product or your service and enhance your brand image. So respond to negative feedback promptly and politely, okay? Use it as an opportunity to improve and communicate any changes that you made as a result. Let me introduce you to Shine. Shine is a mother of three and was a former hotel manager. She has been operating a footwear business for 3 years. So when Shine encountered complaints about their customer service, it sparked a series of internal discussions and brainstorming sessions. The team explored the root causes of the issues and implemented new strategies to streamline their service procedures. They simultaneously launched a new marketing campaign. They even used storytelling elements to showcase their unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. This proactive approach resolved the initial complaints. Moreover, it also garnered positive attention from both existing and potential customers.